and Patreon for Remax Select Realty, and look up GinaWillSellYourHome.com. That's GinaWillSellYourHome.com.
Finally, about damn time you guys went.
Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Positive, encouraging K-Love. The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
Same problems that it had in Kuwait. The problem is way too big because we no longer have
the alert system designed to keep you informed in the event of a national, state, or local emergency. Positive, encouraging K-Love.
It would be worth it to them because it would destroy us. Just dump them. And then how much?
Test alert. Test alert.
With all these ways to save, it's an easy choice. Visit upmchealthplan.com/marketplace to enroll today. The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This station is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
WBZZ-FM and HD1, New Kensington, Pittsburgh. Always live on the free Odyssey app. Search AUDACY.
Join us at
hours in the morning, then mostly You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Parker, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWG 53, serves the following counties in western and northwestern Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Crawford, Forest, Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. A chance of light rain before. This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. Here is the latest
Coos Market.
Are you joking me?
This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
At Diamond's Direct,
Very clear.
We will absolutely beat the price of any.
Bro, are you kidding me right now?